This video shows the installation process of a hidden barn door. For installation, you'll need a drill driver, a drill, and a laser level. Unpack the door panel and prepare it for installation. Prepare the soft close mechanism and mounting bracket. Engage the soft close mechanism and insert it into the track. Temporarily mount the soft close to take the measurement. Extend the bracket and measure the projection. Then remove the soft close, transfer that distance from the edge of the door inward, and reinstall the soft close in the correct position. Verify the bracket alignment, install the end cap, and confirm the bracket sits very close to the cap without touching. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Now install the roller carriages. Slide them into the track and secure them with the screws. Next, we install the bracket. Measure from the right edge of the door panel to where the bracket needs to sit. Now we mark that location above the opening. The door must overlap the wall on the right by about 1 inch, so we add that overlap and place the mark on painter's tape. We'll also mark the mounting height. Refer to the instruction sheet for the exact dimensions. Use the laser to keep everything level, then line up the bracket with the mark. Secure the bracket as shown in the video. Up next, we install the floor guide. We position the floor guide right up against the bottom edge of the door, near the roller path, and mark the location with a pencil. We hang the door on the bracket and align it to the laser line. Next, mark the floor guide location. Drill the holes at your marks, insert the anchors, and fasten the floor guide securely in place. Hang the door panel on the top bracket and guide the bottom edge into the floor guide. Next step, install the flush pull handle. Mark the mounting points on the handle and drill screw holes in it. Then position the handle on the door panel and secure it with screws. Installation is complete. The door is installed and ready for use.